Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Welcome to our channel. Today we will solve the problem majority element. So in this problem, we have given an array of n size and we have to return the element whose frequency is n by 2. So basically question is saying that you may assume that the majority element always exists. Okay, so let's see. In this example, we have given an array nums and we have to find out the element whose frequency is greater than n by 2. So element will be 3 because the frequency of 3 is 2 and size of this array is 3. And in this example, yeah, output will be 2 because frequency of 2 is 4 and size of this nums array is 7. So it yeah, easy category. Uh, let's see what is constraint. Constraint is 5 into 10 raised to power 4. It means we have to solve this problem in time complexity less than n square. Uh, Basically, in order to solve this first approach that comes in my mind that I will count the frequency of every element and any element whose frequency is greater than n by 2 will be my answer. So first let's code it. So basically I will run a for loop for int I equal to 0 I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Uh, Now I will run another for loop for int j equal to 0 uh, j equal to 0 j less than nums dot size j plus plus. Uh, if nums of j equal to nums of I, then we will increase count. So let's first declare the count variable and int count equal to 0. Now after this, if count is greater than nums dot size by 2, then uh, return nums of I. So yeah, it will be our answer. Now I will return minus 1 because in question saying that majority element is always exist. So now let's see. It is taking more time. Basically, the time complexity of this code is n square. So it is the test case is accepted. But if I submit it, then it will showing me time limit exit. So this code will be showing you time limit exit because the time complexity of this code is n square and the constraint that we have given is n should be less than 5 into 10 raised to power 4 and a normal machine can compute only 10 raised to power 8 operation in a second. So n square means 25 is to 10 raised to power 8. So that is greater than 10 raised to power 8. So it will be showing us time limit exit. So we have to solve it by another approach. So now what we will do first, we will store the count of all elements in an array or in map, and then we can easily find out the frequency in order of n time. So first we declare a map, unordered map, int comma int. So basically for auto IT nums MP of IT plus plus. Now, now what we will do now, we will check the count of every element which is present in map. So for auto IT MP, if MP dot second is greater than nums dot size by 2, then return IT dot second, then return IT dot first. So basically this in map there are two elements. First one is our actual element, the second one is frequency. So we are checking its frequency. If frequency is greater than n by 2, then we will return this element. Otherwise, we will return -1. So now let's first run it. Yeah, accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, it is accepted. The time complexity of this code will be O of n, basically O of n of this code and O of n for this for loop. So basically approximate O of n, and space complexity will also be O of n because we are using a map. So this is the best approach. But if interviewer says that you have to solve the question without any extra space, then you should know the approach that will take O of one space complexity. So let's so first code it, then we will understand that approach. So basically, we will run a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus. Basically, uh, first we will assign the answer as first element. So first of all, int count equal to 0 and int answer. If our our count is 0, then our answer is equal to nums of I, and we will increase count. So basically, in the beginning of for loop means in first iteration, our answer will be 2 and count will be 1. So now, else if nums of I equal to answer, then we will increase the count. So basically, in second iteration, what will happen? We will be here at second element, and it is same as our first element, means same as our answer. So our count will increase, and else we will decrease the count and return answer. So let's first run this code. Yeah, accepted, and let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitted. So the time complexity of this code is O of n, and we not took any extra space, so space complexity will be of 1. So now let's understand this code. So basically, first we will start this element. Now, in the first iteration, our answer will be 2 and count is 1. In second iteration, our answer is 2 and count is 2. In third iteration, what will happen? This element is not equal to our answer, so our count will be decreased and count will equal to 1. And in next iteration, count will equal to 0. Then in next iteration, if our count is 0, then our answer become 1. If answer become 1, then what will happen? Then, then in next iteration, our count decreased to 0, and in next iteration, our answer will become 2, and we are out of for loop. So we will return 2. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.